Hi students, this is class for 10th class, subject mathematics, chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Today's topic is centroid of a triangle. My name is Mandalapu Srinivasarao. I am working as PGD Mathematics, Achumbeta, Guntur district. Before going to learn centroid of a triangle, we want to recall what is median. In a triangle, if a line segment drawn from one vertex to midpoint of opposite side is the one median. Here M is the midpoint, A is the vertex, AM is line segment. This is one median. In this triangle, BN is second median, CPR third median. The median of a triangle is a line segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. AM, BN, CP are three medians. Therefore, every triangle has three medians. The three medians are intersect or concurrent at the same point G, which is called centroid of the triangle. Let us see definition of centroid. Every triangle has exactly three medians, one from each vertex, and they all intersect each other at same point. That is the triangle's centroid. Centroid of a triangle formula. In the xy coordinate plane, if the vertices of a triangle are A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, B, CF, AD are the medians. They meet at the same point G. This G is called centroid of triangle. So here centroid of the triangle formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Here this means average of all x coordinates. This means average of all y coordinates. Let us see one example. Find the centroid of the triangle ABC given A is equal to 5 2, B is equal to 4 5 and C is equal to 6 2. Write centroid formula. Here we know that coordinates of centroid of the triangle having the vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now take given points. First point is A 5 2. Let us assume that x1 y1. x1 means 5, y1 means 2. Take second point 4 5. x2 y2 4 5. x2 is 4, y2 is 5. Take third point 6 2. x3 is 6, y3 is 2. Now write centroid formula. Substitute the values in this formula. What is x1? 5. Right here. What is x2? 4. What is x3? 6. Then substitute values of y. y1 means 2, y2 means 5, y3 means 2. Then 5 plus 4, 9 plus 6, 15 by 3. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 by 3. After cancellation, we left with 5, 3. This is the centroid coordinates, centroid of the triangle. Now, we will go to another example. Here also, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3 minus 5, minus 7, 4 and 10 minus 2 respectively. Now write centroid formula. Here we know that coordinates of centroid of a triangle having the vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Then formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, let us assume that given points are, first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, third point is x3 y3. Write centroid formula. Substitute x values and y values in this formula. What are the x values? x1 is 3, x2 is minus 7, x3 is 10. So 3 plus minus 7 plus 3 by 3. Similarly, y values, y1 minus 5, y2 4, y3 minus 2. 3 plus 10, 13 minus 7, 6. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 7, minus 7 plus 4, minus 3. After cancellation, we left with 2 minus 1. This is the centroid of the triangle. Now, we will take one more example. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians of a triangle ABC given this one. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6, 2, C is equal to 4, 1. Here, in this question, there is no word centroid, but given some hint. What is that? Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians. We know that point of intersection of the medians is centroid. So, question is, we have to find centroid of this triangle. Then, here we know that coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians is known as centroid of the triangle. Now, write centroid formula. Here we know that coordinates of the centroid of the triangle having the vertices of A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Let us assume that given points as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Write centroid formula and substitute the values of x and y. How? x1 means 2, x2 means 6, x3 means 4. Similarly, y1 3, y2 2, y3 1. 2 plus 6 plus 4 by 3, 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 3. After adding and cancellation, we left with 4. Here, we will take a small assignment. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians of the triangle DE of given D is equal to 3, E 6, 2 and F 4, 1. Now take another assignment. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are minus 4, 6, 2, minus 2, 2, 5 respectively. Write centroid formula and substitute the values, then you will get centroid. Do this assignment on white papers. Submit that answers to your class teacher through WhatsApp. Thank you.